The aerospace industry is incredibly complicated and precise. For that reason, aerospace industry manufacturers rely on only the most precise and reliable parts. That's exactly why we traveled to Wichita, Kansas, and met up with one of the world's greatest in-spacers for the aerospace industry, Minimac. Dating back to 1970, Minimac has a storied tradition in the aerospace industry.
Minimac is a manufacturing company. We specialize in the manufacturing of NAS-42 and NAS-43 spacers for the aerospace industry. Minimac started with one machine. Minimac is now run by its third generation, nearly 50 years later. We're in a much larger facility. We have several dedicated employees, multiple production machines, and we cut over 8 million parts a year.
Minimac is unique because we've been able to focus on a niche market for over 40 years and really dial in on the equipment that we use.
With a keen focus on quality, Minimac prides itself on providing their clients with fasteners they themselves would use.
The spacers that we make are essentially sleeves for rivets, bolts, and screws that go throughout the airplane to provide spacing wherever needed.
Minimac manufactures tubing. We cut either 2024 T3 aluminum or 4130 high-grade steel. And what we do is take the tubing and cut it to length. Parts can be as small as a 1/16 of an inch to as large as over a foot in length. There's very strict tolerances in the aerospace industry, so our parts have to be within 5/1000ths of an inch of the measurement that they asked for.
To provide the most dependable and most reliable spacers in the aerospace industry, Minimac has employed a lean manufacturing philosophy. They make sure they don't lose 1 second of production time on any day.
To our customers in the aerospace industry, time is of the essence, so Minimac firmly believes in the philosophy of lean manufacturing. What that allows us to do is have our employees avoid time-wasting activities, it increases production, it lowers our cost, and it helps us be as efficient as possible to help them get their parts in a timely manner.
Most important of all, Minimac truly understands what it means to provide customer service.
Customer service is very, very important to Minimac. We firmly believe in having our owners and management be involved in the day-to-day activities. The reason for that is if a customer calls and they need a quote, or they're asking about a specific part number, maybe looking for some stock, they're not going to get a recording, they're not going to get some automated system, they're going to get a hold of us directly and we can give them an answer very, very quickly. This also allows us to develop good relationships with our customers so we really get to know what their needs actually are. What makes Minimac one of the world's greatest is our pride in customer service, making sure we get our customers their product in a timely manner and at the most competitive price possible.
Creating the spacers the aerospace industry needs, Minimac is one of the world's greatest